Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you.
Oh. Daddy got it on a vegetable sprayer.
I have it on vegetable sprayer for sure. And I was done with it. Okay. Yeah, you might want to reduce your pressure there just a hair. It is quite aggressive, folks. We got a beautiful tie-dye screen outside. We got to move inside. To the inside.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Look at that beauty. That's gonna be a good looking tie-dye.
I think so too. I hate a lot of the blue didn't show up.
Hopefully we end up with a wonderful piece. At least you got a good pink purple. We don't know what we have yet. It turned out to be a good purple.
Let's see. I'm hoping it didn't turn out to just be a blob. I'd like to do a bunch of peace signs in a row to perfect my peace sign, but I don't want people to get bored of peace signs.
Yeah. Too many back to back, but I have thought about us doing, like a whole slew of something, and then just only releasing like one of them, or release them slowly over time.
Yeah.
Since we need to bank up some content, we've been thinking about like doing a day where we do like a whole bunch of them, and like a live stream and everything. But it's gonna have to wait a little while, obviously, so we can move around like that. But maybe we can, we want to. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Nah. More of a bullseye.
It looks like a smiley face.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a smiley face. Look at that.
It does.
It looks like a smiley face. Wow. Look at this. Get a better look at it. That is a smiley face I've ever seen.
Like these are the eyes right here, the white dots.
Yeah.
The white dots.
Yeah. Wow. Well.
See, there's never failures in tie-dye.
Yeah.
I don't know, I gotta figure out what I did wrong.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Okay. Something a little bit different. This one didn't really come out how we planned. As you can see, there's a little bit of a peace sign, but not really. Kind of have a little bit of a smiley face, but not really. overall, I would just say this is certainly classifies as a fail. You know, not what we were trying to do, but are there ever really any fails in tie-dyeing? I don't know. We'll find something cool to do with this one. We'll probably even put like a design or something in that little circle in the middle, but we'll do something with it, turn it into a graphic tee or something of that nature. It will not go to waste, my friends, not at all. So, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.